All right, let's learn how to send audio messages on your iPhone. First, we'll open Messages and pick the conversation where you want to send the audio message. Now, there's two ways to use speech when sending messages. There's audio messages, where you literally send someone a recording of you talking, and then there's speech to text, which allows you to talk to the phone, and the phone will convert that to text. Between these two, your iPhone will show the recently used option on the right side of your text field. Mine shows a microphone right now, and that's the button for speech to text. The same button is also available on the bottom right corner. So to demonstrate, this is speech to text. For a true audio message, we'll tap the plus icon on the left and choose Audio from the list. A recording starts, and you can now talk and say what you want to include in your message. Then you'll hit stop when you're done, and you can play back the message by using the play button and send it out using the arrow up button. This works on both Blue Bubble iMessages and the Green Bubble text messages, as long as the Green Bubble conversation is using RCS technology, which most modern phones now support. After sending that one audio message, you'll notice how the icon on the right side of my text field changed from a microphone to an audio waveform. Now I can just tap and hold that to record an audio message without having to use the plus icon on the left. So, tap and hold to send audio messages, or if the icon changes to a microphone after using speech to text, you can always change back to audio messages by using the plus icon on the left. And that's it. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.